So all of you are part of this movement where we are rewriting the history of network marketing. And all of you are introduced to Atomi's worth. Rather, Atomy will confidently compete in terms of quality and price with discount stores, TV home shopping, and online shopping malls, where consumers buy daily necessities without commission by being a business that sells the products at a lower price. In terms of the overall market, the management is both sustained well, so that when we process a payment to our suppliers, we are never late and immediately pay them in cash. So compared to other companies, the management is much more virtuous and ethical. And with regards to paying our taxes, we actually ask our staff and employees to make sure not to sweep anything under the rug. And Atomy will continue to not only establish itself as a company people respect, but also become the leader in making it happen. If we're able to show that Atomy can do well with these methods, I believe that other MLM companies will follow suit, and that the history of network marketing can be rewritten. From this point on, we can't lose our foothold, and we need to devote ourselves to this cause. This is a company that you're learning about. The laws of success. Since you have gotten to know this tool known as Atomy, you should be asking yourself, how can I succeed, right? And the question is, why there aren't a lot of people who can succeed? There was a person by the name of Andrew Carnegie, and although he was born into a poor family, he was able to become wealthy and established the Carnegie Foundation. In his old age, he was thinking, I was born to a poor family, but if I was born into another poor family, will I be able to succeed? After thinking about it, he was 100% sure that he could. Even if he was born 10 times, he would be successful every single time. So he thought about why most people couldn't succeed, and he asked himself, and it's because they didn't know the laws to success. Thus he thought it is necessary to share the laws of success. So from age 0 until age 30, they prepare their life by studying, right? They go to school, and from 30 to 60, most people work. And how do people work? Everyone works hard, right? And then up until age 90, this is their days of retirement. However, most people study for 30 years and work for 30 years. However, only 1% of the people are able to become successful. And 4% are able to solve their financial problem. And 15% have passed away, and 10% were still working. And 70% in their retirement had no money and no work. So 99% of these people could not be successful in their lives. If you look at those around you, I think you can see that this is an accurate statement. So how did this 1% become successful, and how did all of these people fail? So Carnegie, it's because he found out that it's because people didn't know the laws of success. If everyone knew the law to success, all 100 people would be able to succeed, right? But because they didn't know this law. So he put together his work of the laws to success. And these principles and laws aren't arbitrary. It's not arbitrarily set by anyone. So Stephen Covey described this as the true north principle, which states that north is already predetermined. So the laws of success is already determined. Please lift up your finger. Can you point to the direction north? Which direction is it? Yeah, everyone is pointing to different directions, right? Some people are pointing it this way. So does this become north? Is that true? No, we can't be certain, right? We would need a compass. But before we even use a compass, the direction north is already determined. So the laws of success are already determined. You just need to follow the laws. And if you don't follow it, then you'll become a failure. This is like the laws of nature. It is already predetermined. The laws of nature are already predetermined, right? So you cannot succeed unless you know the laws of farming, if you want to be successful in farming, right? The law of farming must follow the law of nature when you are farming. I will use a law of nature to explain about the laws of success, as it will be easier to understand if you use a farmer cultivating a field as an example. So what is the first thing the farmer does? Many people have different answers for this, but the first thing a farmer needs to do is decide how much of what to harvest. If you were to harvest sweet potato, you need to buy land, but if you want to harvest rice, that will depend what you need, right? So first you need to decide in your mind what it is that you want to harvest. So depending on what you're going to harvest, the decision regarding what you need can be determined. So the farmer needs to answer two questions first. What? Second, how much? Harvest. How much will you harvest? So when you are farming, the first thing that you do is plant the seeds, right? But actually the first thing that needs to come into your mind is determine how much you want to harvest. So when you are cultivating your life, you need to think about the end goal, what it is that you want in the end. So once a farmer answers this in his mind, how much of what to harvest, he'll be able to make the necessary decisions. This is called MBO in the business world, management by objectives. So you need to have objectives first, and then the manage will be determined. The management process will be determined. So essentially you make decisions based on what you will harvest. So many people do not apply this in their lives, but for companies and governments actually apply this very well. Yet this process has not been implemented into our individual lives. So if the farmer didn't have the 10 bags of rice in his mind, there won't be any bags of rice in the storage, right? So where does the bags of rice come from? It comes out from the farmer's head and into the storage. The image of your successful self must be created in your mind. So now the question is, in what ways will you be successful? We as humans, we have the flesh, say physical body, then we have the spirit, then we have the soul, and fourth, our environment. So the role of each of these things are different. That's why it's complicated. But you need to satisfy all four of these things. Let's say for the flesh, you need to be healthy. You need to live well. And you need to live abundantly. So in other words, it's to live well. And our spirits is different from our souls. So the spirits is different. Animals don't have spirits. They might have a soul, but they don't have a spirit. So the spirit is kind of like the conscience. And this conscience has to do with the concept of time. The spirit can be cognizant with time. Animals can't do that. But people can think, oh, if I die, my life will be over, right? And he thinks about his past and thinks about his future. They transcend time, go to the past and future. And humans have this spiritual aptitude. And next, to love and to be loved. The desire to love and to be loved.
우리는 창조주로부터 사랑을 받고 창조주를 사랑하는 데서 진정한
And that's
만족을
when we have true satisfaction.
그리고 이 혼이라는 것은
And then this
동물도 가지고
soul,
있어요.
even animals have this.
감정이 여기에 해당됩니다.
There are
감정.
emotions,
희노애락.
happiness,
평온한
sadness.
감정을 가지고
Thus, the
살아가고
soul desires to live a
그런
life that is full of
욕구를
peaceful
가지고
feelings.
있고, 그다음에 우리는
And it also has a
배우고 싶은
desire
욕구를
to
가지고
learn.
있어요. 그다음에 우리는 주변 환경에 대해서
And finally, the
공헌하고
environment.
싶은
We
욕구를
have
우리는
the desire
왜
to
우리는
contribute.
주변 환경에 대해서 공헌하고 싶은 욕구를
So
가지고
why do
있냐면
we want to
이
contribute to the
자연
environment?
환경과 사회적 환경에
It's because
대해서
we not only utilize the
이로움을
benefits
끼치고 어떤
offered by
좋은 영향을
nature,
미치고 싶은
but we want to
그런
leave a
욕구를
good
가지고
impact
있다는
on
거예요.
them as well.
그런데 남을 위해서나
So
또
if you're
이런
to
어떤
die
환경을
without
위해서
giving back to the
아무런
society
이로운
or
일을
to
하지
other
않고
people,
죽게 되면은
and if you
죽을 때
pass away,
나는 참 쓸모없는 사람이었구나.
you will think that your life was
나는
useless.
나만 위해서 살았지.
You will
뭔가
think that you
이로운
only
것을
lived for
해본 적이
yourself
없고
and you did
이것이
nothing
하나의 회한이 될
good
수가
for the
있다는
society
거예요.
as a
그런
whole,
것도 해야
and that
되는
can be a
거예요.
regret for yourself. So
그러니까
this is also a
이렇게
very
육이
practical
있고
need.
영이 있고 혼이
So there's the
있고
flesh,
이
the spirit,
환경으로
and the
둘러싸여
soul, and
있어요. 이게
the
사람이에요.
environment. This is
그런데
what composes a human being.
이 네 가지를 골고루
Now, the
다
goal of having a
만족시키는 그런
life
삶의
where all
목표,
four of these
그렇게
conditions are
만족하는 삶의
satisfied,
목표, 그렇게 만족하면서
and the image of
살아가는
that
내
life
모습이
must
내
be in
머릿속에
your
먼저
mind
그려져야
first. And
3년이나 5년
in order
후에
to make it a reality 3 to
앞으로
5
튀어나온다.
years from now.
우리 사원 두 번째가 생각을 경영한다.
The second part of the company motto is to create the vision, right?
우리 머릿속에다가 우리의
So what this
성공한
is saying
모습을
that you
그려놓으라
need
하는
to
거예요.
draw in
비전을
your mind the
매핑하라 하는
successful
겁니다.
image of
그래서
yourself.
이거를 그려
Make
놓으면
the vision, create the
마치
vision.
농부의 머릿속에 쌀
So
10가마가
if you're able
그려지느냐,
to
한
create
콩
the
2가마가
vision of
그려지느냐에
having the 2
따라가지고
sacks of peanuts,
농사를
5
어떻게
sacks of
짓는
rice, that will
결정이 되고
determine
가을이
how
됐을
you
때
will
쌀이 들어올 거냐,
cultivate
땅콩이 들어올 거냐가
your
결정이
harvest, right?
되듯이
That will
내
determine how much
머릿속에
rice or peanuts you will
내가
harvest.
성공한 모습을
So
어떻게
in your
그릴 거냐
mind,
하는
you need to
것이
draw the
굉장히
life,
중요하다
successful
하는
life
거예요.
that you want in the end.
그래서 생각을 경영한다고 하는 것은
So when we say
바로 내
create the
머릿속에다가
vision,
삶을 그려놓으라
it means
하는
to
거예요.
draw and create the future
지금
life
여러분
that you
머릿속에
want.
3년이나 5년
Unless you
후에
have a
정말
complete
내가
picture of
살고 싶은
yourself
삶의
being
모습이
successful in 3 to
완벽하게
5 years in
그려지지
your mind,
않으면 그거는 3년
your life 3 to 5 years in the
비슷한
future will
삶을
be
살고
no
있을
different from
거라는
what
거예요.
it is right
지금
now.
여러분들이 마음에 들지 않는 삶을 사는
You are
이유가
only
또
living the life that you don't want right
3년이나
now
5년
is
전에
because 3 to
나는
5 years
어떤
ago
삶을
you did
살고
not have an
싶다는 것이
image
머릿속에 확실하게
of the life
그려지지
you
않았기
wanted
때문에
in your mind.
그래서 지금 삶이
That's why you don't
망하는
like
거예요.
your current life.
그래서
You must have the
우리
image of the
머릿속에다가 내가
life
살고 싶은 삶의 모습을 그려 넣어야 돼.
that you want to live
그래서
in your
우리는
mind.
건강,
So you might want to live a healthy life, right?
그럼 운동을 어떻게 해야 되겠다 이런 거
Then you
계획을
can
다
become
세가지고
healthy
해야
by
되는
making
거예요.
plans to
그러면 오래
exercise,
살아야 되겠죠.
and then
풍요롭게
to
살아야
live well,
되겠죠.
to live abundantly.
그러면 통장에 돈이 얼마가 있어야 되겠다.
So how much
집은
money
어떤
must
집에
you
살아야
have?
되겠다.
What kind of
차는
house
어떤
do you
차를
need to
타고
live
다녀야
in?
되겠다. 내가
What kind of
기본으로
car
어떻게
will
하고
you be
살아야
driving?
되겠다.
How will
이런
you
것들이
donate?
쫙쫙
All of
쫙쫙
these
나와
needs
있어야
to be
되는
in your
거예요.
mind.
그런데 이게 각각 떨어져 있지가 않고요.
But all four of
이게
these
하나로 옮겨 있어요.
factors are all intertwined with
그래서
each other. It is mutually exclusive.
우리는 이
It is not
육이라는 게
mutually
있는데
exclusive.
육은
So there's the
잘
flesh
살며
to live well,
여기 혼이 있죠.
the
혼은
soul, right,
배우고,
to learn,
그리고 영은
and then the spirit to learn, to love.
그리고 우리는 환경에 대해서는
Then our
공헌하는 삶.
environment is contributing a life of
네 가지가
contribution.
골고루 균형 잡힌
So all four of
삶이에요.
these
균형
must
잡힌
be
삶.
a balanced life.
밸런스드 라이프가 돼야 되는데 이 균형이 깨지게 되면은
If this balance
펜트윌의
breaks,
법칙이 가지고 다 좋은데 건강이 안 좋아.
let's say everything is good, but then you
건강하기도 하고 뭐
have
하는데
bad
돈이
health.
없어. 그럼
Let's say
그것도
you're healthy and
불안한
everything,
거예요.
but you have no
돈도
money.
있고
Then
뭣도
that's
하는데
miserable,
무슨
right?
거짓말만
Let's say
해갖고
you're
돈같이
rich
돈을
and
벌었어,
healthy,
양심을
but
잃어버렸어.
you've lost your
그러면 그
conscience.
인생도
Then
그
that
수준밖에
life
안
is also
된다는 거예요.
miserable.
그렇기 때문에
So it's
우리는
the
이
principle of the
네 가지가
weakest
다
link.
골고루 만족시키는
So all
그런
four of
삶을
these
살아야
things
된다는 거예요.
needs to be well
그런데
balanced.
이 네 가지가 떨어져 있는 것이 아니고 한데
So
어우러져
all
있어요.
four of these things
그래서
are not mutually
우리가
exclusive.
이걸
They are
각각
actually
띄워놓고
all
보면
interconnected.
아무것도 아닌 게 돼버려요.
So if four of
그러니까
these
아이고,
things
잘 살면
are
뭐해 이런 사람도 있잖아요.
disconnected,
근데 우리가 잘 살아야 되는 이유는요. 사랑하는 사람이 있기 때문에 우리가 잘 살아야 되는
the
거예요.
reason why we need to
내가 못
live well
살게
is
되다 보니까
because
내
of our
자식도 못
loved
살고 내
ones.
마누라도
If
못
you
살고
don't
내
have a
아들도
good
못 살고
life, then
내
your
부모도
wife, your
자식도
children will
못
not
살고
have a good
돌아가시게
life. Everyone
되고
will be worried because of
가난이
you.
대물림 되고
And
이런 문제가
poverty
발생한단
will
말이에요.
be passed
그래서
down.
자녀들이 고민 하고 살아가다가 이 세상이라는 벽을 못
That's why your
넘보지
children
못하고
will live,
자살하는
and
자녀들이
some people,
자살까지는 안
commit
하더라도
suicide, or some will
실망하고
be so discouraged and
피리pad이라고 살아가는 이
disappointed,
젊은이들에게
and there's just no
정말
hope.
우리가 뭔가를 이 젊은이들에게 힘을 주기 위해서 우리가
So
잘
in
살아야 돼요.
order to be of some help to these younger generation, we need to live well.
되겠죠.
In order to do that, we need to learn.
그래서 이 잘 살아야 되겠다는 욕구가
This desire to live well, those who have this weak desire, it's because they don't have passion, they don't have love.
이 애텀이라는 도구.
This
학력도 필요
atomy,
없고, 미모도 필요 없고, 나이도 안 따지고,
your
경험도
age,
필요
your
없고,
degree,
경험도 필요 없고, 기술도
capital,
필요 없고,
none of that
정말
matters.
하겠다는 열망 하나만
All you need is a
가지고
passion
누구나 다
that you can do
성공하는
it.
사다리가 마련됐음에도 불구하고
Even with a ladder such as Atomy, those who are not able to climb this, there's only one reason. It's because they don't have love in their hearts.
여러분들이 정말 내가 몸이 부서져도 좋다.
If you think that it's okay even if your body will break, but you must, if there is a way that can really, where you can help your loved ones, are you ready to take that kind of life on? Do you have that kind of heart right now? Wow, your voices are so small. Are you ready?
정말 우리는 사랑하는 사람이 있기 때문이라도
Because we truly have loved ones, we must live well.
제가요, 정말 저희 집사람을 사랑해서
I
결혼했어요.
really loved my wife. That's why I married her. I followed her around for a full year,
했는데
and we got married.
제가 월급쟁이 17년 하다가 나와가지고
But I was working for 17 years as an employee, then quit, and then I started a company called IamKorea.com. 3 years later, the company failed. And you know, I lost my house, my car, and we went to a $500 apartment. And I got sick, my liver failed, and a friend doctor of mine told me to stop working. And I couldn't work, so what happened? My wife had to work, and she would make $1,500. You know, a woman in her 50s, what can she do? She can't work more than $1,500. So we'd pay $500 of our rent, and then with the remaining money, we would buy food and send them to school, our children. And one day, it was winter day, and I was at home, and I told my wife, turn up the heat. And my wife said, don't you think I'm cold too? So she's saying she's cold too, right? But you didn't bring home any money. That's why it's cold here. So I said, don't save money. When you don't have money, you just need to use money. So imagine what she must have felt. Before, she wouldn't say anything. She would just say, that's funny. But then after living in a $500 house and I was not even making money, she said, we're in this state because of you. Our relationship got worse. And it got to the point where she said, let's separate after the kids graduate. And then my wife is someone who does what she says. She doesn't take her words lightly. And when I heard that, I really felt like the sky was collapsing. And I just collapsed on the ground. And I hugged my wife's leg and I cried. I said, don't leave me. I can't let you go like this. If you go now, you won't have a house. You don't have a retirement fund. Even if you go, let me buy you a house and have a retirement plan for you. I can't let you go right now. And she said, wow, for how long will I have to wait? Now I've bought her a house. We have a retirement fund for her. But now she doesn't say she will leave me anymore. These days when I go home, we're only together actually. I massage her leg, her arm. And my sons say, wow, you guys are just so much goosebumps. So you need to live well in order to love. So where does true passion come from? It comes from the three areas where these three things come together. So those that have no passion have no love. If you really want to be successful, You have to be able to tell your husband from now on or in 2 years, I'll let you rest. Someone told me about a song he hated because of the lyric, hey dad, please cheer up, you don't have to back you up. He couldn't understand what more they wanted because he was doing everything he could already. Instead of singing this song, you need to change the lyrics. Hey dad, you did your best, we'll do it, now you just rest. The life that you want in your mind to be playing like a movie in your head. This movie should be about the life you want to live, where you're healthy and lively, and you need the image of the car you will be driving, the way you will help and treat your friends when you see them. All these movies must be playing in your mind.
정말 여러분들이 어떤 집에 사느냐, 어떤 차를 타고 다니냐, 해외 여행은 어떻게 할 건지, 부모님을 어떻게 모실 건지 이런 것이 머릿속에 쫙 들어와 있으면
All of this needs to be in your mind, and after organizing these thoughts, you need to make your own movie.
이 영화만 잘 만들면요.
If you're able to make this good movie, it will come true.
어떤 사람은 그래요. 그걸 진짜 그리기만 하면
Wow, are you serious?
진짜 확실하게 그리기만 하면요. 반드시 이루어지게 돼 있어요.
Yes, it will come true. It is actually proven.
내가 상상하는 거하고 실제로 일어나는 일하고를 구별 못하는
Because our bodies are not able to distinguish what is true and what's not true.
제가 새콤하고 달콤한
Let's say there is a sweet and sour pomegranate and I put it in your mouth.
어금니로 아자자작 씹으니까 새콤하고 달콤한
And once you've bit into the pulp, there is a sweet pulp, right?
자, 입안에서 무슨 일이 일어났어요?
So what's happened in your mouth?
고이죠? 침암 고이시는 분은요, 빨리
You're salivating, right? If you're not, then you need to go to the hospital.
자기가 생각만 해도
Most people, all they need to think it,
우리 신체는 똑같이 반응해요.
and if you just think eating a pomegranate, your body will react as if it really, if you really ate a pomegranate. Another example, all of you are quite tired in the morning, right?
제가 한 방에 싹 고치는 방법 가르쳐 줄게요.
Let me tell you how to fix all of that.
그런데 해모인보다도 더 특효가 있어요.
Yes, you can consume hemoin, but there's another solution.
한 달에 3천만 원씩만 꼬박꼬박 들어오면
What if you had $30,000 in your wallet every month?
아침에 젖은 솜처럼 몸이 무거울까요? 아니면 깃털처럼 가벼울까요?
Would your body be heavy or light as a feather?
다 낫고요. 면역력, 기똥차게
Most of your illnesses will go away.
잔병은 다 없어져요. 한 달에 3천만 원씩만 들어오면은 다
If you just have $30,000 a month in your wallet, then all of that will go away.
들어온다고 내가 계획을 세워서 확신하고 믿는 거라 내 몸의 반응은
But your body will react the same way even if you imagine it and actually experience it. So think about it, that you will make $30,000, $50,000 a month, and imagine that vividly.
현재 내가 엑구스를 타는 모습,
So imagine driving a Mercedes. Imagine living in a huge house. Imagine helping those around you. And imagine that you will be sending your kids to school. So you need to be able to think this in your mind, right? Follow the faith, the third part of our motto. If you do that, your reality will keep climbing up. So it's actually your dreams that will become an engine for you. But if you have no dreams, then of course you can't work. Nothing will work. So you need to create a vision, create this dream. This is different from an illusion, believing that this will truly come true. Someone who has faith is believing that it will actually come true. Faith will create into miracles. I really believe that Atomy would become a #1 MLM company, and I truly believe that. And Atomy will become a global company. I said that all the time. Faith will lead to miracles. You have to envision yourself earning $30,000 to $50,000 a month in your mind and truly believe this. Once you do, your expressions, your speech, your sight, and everything will change. You need to really vividly draw this in your mind. And you need to follow and stand on that faith.
Okay, so as I was saying, and once you have a dream and vision that you drew on your blueprint. Okay, so for example, my life scenario. Okay, this is the example on the screen. As you can see in the middle, you can see there are 8 circles, and as you can see, and this is the entire wheel, and you have to make a circle. Okay, so for example, when all these areas become 10 points, and then connect the dots, get a big picture, and you need to write ways on how you can make all 10 points. There are 3 tricks, tips. The first one is to be clear. Clear. You need to be as clear as you can, as concrete as you can. Color, design, the address as well, and the time, and the price, amounts. And you have to know how much it costs to buy the house, and children's education, and doing filial duty, being good to your parents. And you have to give, for example, about $2,000 to $3,000. That's enough for your parents. They can go to the hospital, because as you age, you have to go to hospitals when you need a treatment or some kind of the medicine. But for example, you need about $20,000 to $30,000 for your life to be secure. And some people say, I would be happy if I just make $3,000 to $7,000 a month. Is it successful life? I don't think so. From my experience, that's not a true definition of success. And they work the hardest. And there's also so many people who wonder how to make money. And I believe that there are effective ways to make money. For example, when you go to sleep, you have to make money. You have to create system. If you don't know how to create system, you have to use a system that is very effective. So for example, Atomy system, you have to use that. And you have to make a budget. Depends on your budget. And depends on your budget. You have to know how much you can earn. And those are people who are poor. You cannot become rich by saving money. And you need to first figure out your expense and how much you spend every single month, and then you have to find and make the budget. You don't need to do all the research if you find the Atomy business. Then also you calculate the expenses and then find a job. Now at Atomy, we provide a way to do that. So none of you have to worry or even concern about the situation. If you truly believe that you will be a person who can be successful, who earns from $30,000 to $50,000 every single month, which is a true definition of success. That is a principle and true principle of success. You need to set a goal that you will be successful, and based on that, and you have to execute. And Thomas Edison, and most of you know him for inventor and having a lot of inventions, and he do a lot of the experiments after experiments, and then he became one of the famous inventors in the world, the Henry Ford as well. And he thought of the roads first before the cars. And he thought about the ideas of mass production. At the time, mass production was not there at the time. And you have to be very detailed, and you have to draw your blueprint before anything. You have to see as clear as you can and as concrete as you can As I have mentioned before, you have to be the main character of your movie. You would do anything to make it happen. You have to be obsessed. You have to be desperate to be successful. And this is the true motivation and inspiration. This will drive you, and your body will be as strong as a Superman. And if you make $50,000 a month, you will have a lot of confidence. So for example, you would walk like this, just like this, very confident, and you will be very stylish and have a lot of confidence. You need to change yourself how the world sees you. You also need to stand and stand firm based on your vision, and then you will achieve it. You can make your dream come true if you believe it. Thank you again. See you next time.
구독, 좋아요 눌러주세요.